My people, how many of you remember this thing? How many of you remember these buns? How many of you remember these buns in those days? These buns when go make you steal money. These buns when go make you no return change if they send you go message. Not for the Gen Z people, now for those people of the late 80s and 90s, then go remember, but not for the Gen Z. You see as the buns there, just soft inside, crunchy outside. That's where the buns dey. Na these buns wey we wan make today. So my people, how una dey? Hope una dey fine o. Wherever you dey watch from, I say good morning, good afternoon. So na these buns, Nigerian buns, na we wan make today. I go show una step by step how to make am. E so easy to make. So make una see how I go take do these buns. Make una watch the video to the end. Make we start. So my people, for this our Nigerian buns, na the following wey we go use o. This na flour. We go use flour 2 cups. We go use sugar 3 tablespoons. We go use milk. Make na 80 ml. But if you use powdered milk, then you go come use water. Then we go use just 1 egg. We go use salt, half teaspoon. We go use nutmeg, half teaspoon. You fit use cinnamon and you fit use vanilla. Then we go use baking powder. Baking powder, we go use half teaspoon. The flour wey we go use na 2 cups of flour. But if you want to increase yours, you go fit increase your own if you want to increase am. So what we go do now, we go first add all the dry ingredients. So I go pour in the flour inside the bowl. I don already sieve the flour. I tell una say if una want to do any baking, make una dey sieve una flour. If not, ant fit follow the flour. So you have to sieve it. So we go add in the nutmeg. We go add in baking powder. Then we go come add in the salt. When you don add everything like this, so you come combine everything, make e marry each other very well. Just turn am like this, turn am like this, like this. So now everything don marry itself. So now you come bring another bowl, which is this. You go come crack in the egg. You go crack in the egg, no allow the shell to enter. You come stir the egg like this, stir am o. You come stir am like this, stir am like this. You come bring in the milk, come pour the milk inside. You come stir everything combine. Then you go come add your sugar. You dey add your sugar here because make it for dissolve. Because if you add am for the flour like that, since na dry ingredient, e no go dissolve. So as you put am for here now, the thing go come dissolve, at least to some extent. Even if you not dissolve all of them, to some extent e go dissolve. So you go come turn am like this, turn am like this, turn am until e don fine like this, e don fine like this. Then you go now set it aside. So now you go bring back the dry ingredients. You go come add in the butter. When you add in the butter, you go come rub am in, rub am until e go come be like bread crumbs. E go dey fold kind of. When you press am for your palm, the thing go fold, e no go scatter. So rub am in like this, rub am until all the flour don collect part of the butter. Just keep rubbing. You see as e dey look like now? Rub it very well. If you fold am for your hand, the thing go mold. E go mold. So just keep rubbing. These buns, e dey easy to make very well. And you can start a business with this. People take these buns, they gather money. I don see woman wey use buns money take train children for schools and take build house. So my people, if you dey look for business wey you wan do, you can start this buns business. So now so we come see am o, see as the thing come be now. You see am, just like breadcrumbs or egusi wey dem blend or melon seed wey dem blend. So you see as the thing dey for my hand now. So at this point, you will come put hole for the middle like this. Then you come pour in the liquid ingredient. When you now pour am, you will come begin dey stir am like this. You see as e dey go so, you go rub everything, make the milk, the sugar, everything enter well well. At this point, the batter no go too soft and e no go dey run. No be dough we dey find o. We no dey find dough. You know say buns no dey too dey smooth at times. At times e dey be like rock, you know. So na so this one be. So you see wetin we get now. At this point now, oil go dey hot for fire o. So na so we get am. So when you don do am like this, you go come carry am go for fire, dey drop am one after the other, dey drop am. You fit cut am or you fit put am in between your thumb. Depends on how you fit carry am, how e dey fast for you to carry. Na so you go take put am for inside fire. So my people, if you don watch me up to this moment, just take a small break. Just see the subscribe button, follow me, keep liking, keep sharing the video. Make people wey no sabi make Nigerian buns, let them know how to make Nigerian buns. So what you do now is for you to pick the batter, you pick and you drop inside the oil. You pick and you drop inside the oil. So now we will go over to the gas cooker, make we go begin dey fry our Nigerian buns. So my people, want to fry now. For you to know say the fire don hot, if you just cut small of the batter, put am for inside the oil to know whether the thing don hot or not. So you can see say I don put the batter inside now. The oil don hot because this you don't need to use too much hot oil. If you use too much hot oil, the inside go done, while the inside no go done, while the outside go brown and the inside no done. So now you can see the oil don hot. And when you put in the batter inside, after some time, the batter or the buns go come up of the fire. So you know so you don't get a very good buns. And for you to start to put them for fire, for you not to gum your hand, you can use water. You can use water to put for your hand, or use oil rub your hand before you begin to put them. And when they fry buns, it depends on how e dey fast you to put, you go put am. No say because say they do pick and drop and you know how to use that method, you use am. Any method when you use better for you. And you know say buns, if you no get round shape, and at times the body go dey rough, na so buns dey. So if your own no come out like see other people own, make you no cry, you get the correct thing. So my people, you say the thing they don't come up of the fire now, the oil now, they don't do on top of the oil, they no sink inside again. Now so you go know say you don't get your correct mixture. So you go keep stirring the thing, you go dey turn am, make all the side and they done. Then when it is golden brown, you go now bring them out. Your buns done ready. Oh. See our buns, don't they turn to golden brown. See as the buns then just fine like this. These are the buns where we dey fit thief money because of when we dey grow in those days, when you go fit thief money because you want to chop buns, na im be this one. So now you can make it in comfort of your home. You get to dey look am at this point so I no go burn. Then you dey turn am, make all the sides dem fry well well. See our buns now, they are looking so amazing. So now the buns dem don fry, I will comot am for the fire, put am for my paper towel, make all the excess oil comot so that e no go be like say the thing soak oil. Our buns don ready oh, buns don ready. Look at dis lovelies, wow, they look so beautiful. So my people, buns don ready oh. Una see as the buns just dey. Soft inside, crunchy outside. Na so our Nigerian buns dey oh, make una see am. So yummy. So guys, if you have watched me up to this moment, I say thank you so very much. Keep liking and make una dey share this video, make una dey share am for me. Give the video a thumbs up, make una follow me, and I will see you in my next. Thank you and bye bye.